How to make money from arbitraging trading software. In this video, we are going to tell you what is an arbitrage, and we are going to share with you our favorite arbitrage trading bot. Arbitrage coin is designed for taking advantage of the arbitrage opportunity. We will provide you with the best arbitrage trading strategy available for you to learn. So what is arbitraging? In simple terms, arbitrage is buying something for a low price and selling it at a high. You might not know this, but you probably have engaged in arbitrage when you bought something cheap so that you could sell it later at a higher price. Moving forward, we are going to teach you how to take advantage of crypto exchange arbitrage, and more importantly, we are going to share an arbitrage trading bot that is a more sustainable way to make a profit. To do an arbitrage, it's probably the fastest way to make money. If you go from one exchange and see a coin listed for one particular price, then if you go across another exchange you'll see that there could be a difference in the price. In this instance, what you can do is to buy the coin on the cheaper exchange. Transfer the crypto from one wallet to the other wallet and sell it on the other exchange where the coin is trading at a higher price. You have to be quick, and you have to be sure there is a fair profit margin, otherwise, it's not actually worth it to do arbitrage trading Bitcoin. What you have to do is to have a crypto arbitrage calculator and calculate the prices. You need a crypto arbitrage calculator because you have to include the fees and charges. Things move very fast in the crypto space. Sometimes when you try to do Bitcoin exchange arbitrage, you'll need to use a Bitcoin arbitrage bot. If you are doing DeFi arbitrage bot could be handy. In Depco, we have more bots that are searching for arbitrage opportunities and are trading as fast as possible. When you're doing arbitrage, you might go from one exchange to another and find that you're frozen out. Meanwhile, the coin price might go up, and you can't buy it back. These are risks that we all take. Arbitrage tips. Our number one pro tip is to make sure that you always send Ethereum from one exchange to another, instead of Bitcoin. Even if you're going to buy in Bitcoin, it's much quicker to send Ethereum. The other thing that you can do for arbitrage is to look for coins listed on new exchanges. Quite often, it takes some time before everyone knows about it. Therefore, you can find massive price differentials. Sometimes on the first cryptocurrency exchange, you'll find that coin is very cheap, and on the second exchange, it's much more expensive. Within a few trades, the price of the coin between the two exchanges can reverse, so the previous arbitrage opportunity will disappear, and if you are not quick enough, you may lose on transaction fees. As other people are playing arbitrage, they will start buying more on the exchange where the coin is cheap, creating demand and causing the price to rise. Therefore, there's going to be more sellers on the more expensive exchange, but nobody will be able to sell because the demand on the second exchange is not as high, so the price will eventually come down. In this case, the arbitrage opportunity is reversed. You need to develop the habit to monitor the coin prices like a hawk constantly. Now, if you want to automatize the whole arbitraging process, we have a solution. You can use arbitrage bots. In Depco, we are using our own trading bots that you can also use if you will join Depco, but in this video, we are going to give you a detailed instruction guide on how to use third-party bot from arbitraging.co or apextrading.com. Step 1. Set up your MetaMask wallet. The first step is to open your personal MetaMask wallet. The bot is designed to work with MetaMask wallet, so that's the reason you need to get this Ethereum wallet. Download the MetaMask wallet, if you do not have it yet. This Ethereum wallet uses a Chrome extension, so it will be a lot easier to get used Chrome browser. Note 1, you can use any ERC20 compatible wallet. Next, you will need to put some coins into your ERC20 wallet, which brings us to the next step. Step 2, buy Ethereum on Coinbase or other exchange where you want to do arbitrage. Sending Ethereum is a lot cheaper than Bitcoin. So, that is the reason we want to use Ethereum. Secondly, transactions are much faster inside the Ethereum blockchain. In time when we are doing this video, Ethereum is worth approximately $230. To use the bot, you need to invest a minimum of $276, which is equivalent of 1.2 Ethereum. Step 3. Send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. You also need to deposit your Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Just transfer the 1.2 of Ethereum that you bought on exchange into your new MetaMask wallet. Make sure you double-check your MetaMask wallet address before sending Ethereum. You want to be sure you have got that right, otherwise, you might be sending Ethereum to the wrong wallet address. If you send Ethereum to the wrong address, that money is lost forever. Now, it's time to switch our focus to the cryptocurrency arbitrage website arbitraging.co or new name apextrading.com. Step 4. Open an arbitraging.co Apex account. You can sign up to this arbitraging trading software. To sign up, you'll need to provide your email and username. The most important part is to make sure you place the Ethereum wallet address that you created during the first step in the MyEther wallet or MetaMask wallet empty space. Note 2, never put an exchange wallet address because this will result in your funds being lost. Once you are all done, you will need to send Ethereum to your newly created Arbitraging Apex account. Step 5, how to send Ethereum to arbitraging.co Apex platform. Now you will have to send the 1.2 Ethereum you transferred in your MetaMask wallet to your arbitraging.co Apex account created in the previous step. This process will take a while until the blockchain network confirms the transfers. But it is a lot faster than sending Bitcoin, that's for sure. To send Ethereum to this cryptocurrency arbitrage website, you need to log in arbitraging.co or apextrading.com and head over to the Deposit tab found on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see two addresses. The first address is your MetaMask wallet address you put once you signed up during step number 4. Make sure it's matching exactly with your MetaMask wallet address. The second address is the arbitraging.co Apex Trading deposit address where you need to send your Ethereum. Copy this wallet address. Go to your MetaMask wallet extension and send the Ethereum to the arbitraging.co Apex Trading deposit address. Your Ethereums will show up instantly in your arbitraging.co account once the transaction is confirmed. Step 6. Buy Arb tokens with Ethereum using the exchange. Once the Ethereum transaction is confirmed, you need to go on the exchange and buy Arb tokens. Go to the arbitraging platform, and on the left side of the screen, you'll see the exchange. If your ETH transfer was successful, you should be able to see your Ethereum on the internal exchange. If your Ethereum doesn't show up on the exchange, go to the Wallet tab and you should see the Ethereum that you've deposited. Below your Ethereum amount there is a Transfer Arb text, and from there select Send to Exchange. Now, head over to the Exchange tab, and you'll see your Ethereum there. If you want to buy Arb tokens, first select the Market Value button, then select the price that you want to pay for the Arb tokens in the price label, and how many Arbs you wish to buy in the amount label. Make sure you have everything right and then click the green Buy Arb button. The reason we need to buy Arb tokens is that the arbitraging trading software Arbot works inside the Arb network. They are doing all the arbitraging trades in Arb currency. In order to get the crypto arbitrage thing going on, you need to follow a few more important steps. Step 7. Transfer Arb to your wallet. Now that you've got your Arb tokens, you need to transfer them back into your wallet. Currently, your Arb tokens are in the exchange. Hit the Transfer to Wallet button that is placed above the Buy, Sell labels. Select the crypto you want to transfer, in our case, it's Arb, and put in the amount you will withdraw. Once you click Confirm, your Arb tokens will instantly go to your wallet. Now go to your Wallet tab and you'll see your Arb tokens there. Step 8. Transfer Arb from wallet to Arbot. Once you're inside your wallet in the Transfer Arb label, select that you want to send your Arb to Arbot. Then select the total Arb tokens you wish to send. Once you select the amount of Arb tokens you want to send, your Arb tokens will be given a dollar value in red. Once you've done the transfer, the Arb token should be seen in your Arbot tab. Now you're ready to put the exchange arbitrage at work for you. Step 9. Make Arbot to work. Once the transfer made at Step 8 is completed, and you can see your Arb tokens in the Arbot tab, you have all set to start making profits from this cryptocurrency arbitrage. The Arbot will do all the trades, and it will only seek to take those arbitraging trades that have a good profit margin. The Arbot software also provides you with a crypto arbitrage calculator so you can have an idea of the potential profits you can possibly make. More on how to withdraw your crypto profits below. Step 10. Withdraw profits. Repeat daily or reinvest. As a disclaimer, with trading, there is always risk involved, and you can't have any guarantees. But you can always start small and test it out to see how it performs. Note 3. Arbitraging.co. Apex Trading pays all the profits at the end of each day. The cryptocurrency profits are sent directly to your wallet. You can withdraw the money whenever you want. Withdrawing your profits is a pretty intense process because you have to follow all the previous steps backward. You have two options to withdraw your profits. First, transfer active to wallet. Stop Arbot. This will transfer all your Arb tokens to your wallet. Second, transfer earn to wallet. This will transfer all the Arb tokens that you have earned. Note 4. Both options allow you to transfer partial amounts of Arb tokens. Here are the steps you need to follow in order to withdraw your earned profits. First, choose between the two withdrawal methods and confirm the amount of Arb tokens you want to send to your wallet. Now, go to the Wallet tab and send Arb tokens to exchange. Go to the Exchange tab and sell the Arb tokens for Ethereum. In the exchange, hit the Transfer to Wallet button and send your recently bought Ethereum. Go again to the Wallet tab where you'll see your Ethers. Hit the big button that says, Withdraw, and make sure you introduce the correct MetaMask wallet address. Go to your MetaMask wallet and then transfer your Ethereum to your Exchange Ethereum wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see your Ethereum in your Exchange wallet, where you can exchange Ethereum to your local currency. Before you withdraw your profits, you should also take into consideration the possibility to reinvest your earned profits and compound it to the moon. Simply click the Reinvest Earned button and you're all set to make more money. Note 5. You can only reinvest balances over $250 worth of Arbot earnings. You can also hold the Arb tokens if you want. If you see the potential and believe in this project that it can go to the moon, you can hold Arb tokens and make even more profits. Conclusion. You can make some money with different arbitraging trading softwares, but always do your own research, and only invest in money you can afford to lose. All investing carries risk. If you want to let more arbitrage bots to do the heavy lifting work, become a Depco member and invest together with us.